This week I'm going to be refurbishing this table. As you can see, it's been taking a bit of a hammering. It's got all sorts of marks and stains on it. So what I'm going to do is to take the slats off, and then I'm going to take them outside, sand them down, glue it all together and just refurbish the whole thing. I'm going to undo all these straps that I used to hold the slats together. I'm going to unscrew them, take the slats outside and then glue them together with my biscuit cutter.
These are all marked up and ready to be cut with my biscuit cutter.
To know where I'm going to cut, all you do is match this red mark up on my biscuit cutter to the mark that I've made on the wood. Okay, now time to glue it up. I've got my straps ready, I've got clamps ready, glue, and I've got my biscuits. Just put the straps over here because that's where the gaps were. There's no gaps at the end. You can tell because the glue's been forced out. I'll just give it a wipe there. Okay, that's all glued up and all the biscuits are in and it's strapped together, and I'll just let it dry now. Right, this is all dry now. I'm going to take the straps off, take the weights off, and I'm going to take the top outside and give it a sand down. to 120 grade. Okay, this is looking pretty good so far. I've had to bring it in because it started to rain. What I'm going to do now, once the rain stops, I'm going to use my disc sander just to get it a bit smoother. Okay, I'm now going to seal it with Owatrol Penetrating Oil. It's just drying, and then let it dry and give it another coat. I've just put it in here overnight to dry, and it does need another coat. And I'm also going to do the legs as well. Okay, I'll let that dry overnight. Okay, this is all dry now. I still need to fix the top on, but what I'm going to do before I do that, I'm just going to give it a rub down with a soft scourer because it's a little bit rough, and that will just help just to take the rough edge off. I might take it inside because I think it'll go quite well with my kitchen. It'll be a bit easier to move it with the top off. So let's see what it looks like in my kitchen. Some screws and a screwdriver. Okay, that's all the screws in. Now it's time to turn it up the right way. There's a few imperfections. This is where there was a knot, but it looks quite good. It just adds to the rustic feel. Well, it's turned out pretty well. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for some more DIY videos.